Have you ever walked into your home only to be greeted by that smell? The one you can't escape? You love your pet, but their lingering odor, on carpets, couches, even clothes, feels impossible to eliminate. What if I told you there are powerful, unconventional methods to banish pet odors forever? Not sprays, not perfumes, but techniques so effective they feel like magic. Before I reveal these secrets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because what you're about to learn might change your life and your living room forever. The invisible problem, pet odors, aren't just about smell. They carry emotions, memories, and sometimes embarrassment. Imagine guests arriving, smiling politely, while secretly thinking, "Oh, the house smells like a dog." That silent judgment hurts. You clean, you spray, you try every supermarket product, but the smell always returns. Why? Because most solutions hide the problem instead of solving it. Today, we're digging deeper. Method 1. The power of sunlight. The first unconventional method is as old as time itself. Sunlight. Pet odors thrive in damp, dark spaces. Curtains, rugs, blankets. Take them outside, lay them under the sun, and let UV rays do the work. Sunlight doesn't just dry, it kills odor-causing bacteria naturally. Method 2. Activated charcoal magic. Here's where it gets exciting. Activated charcoal. Not the kind from your barbecue, but odor-absorbing black gold. Place small bowls around litter boxes, pet beds, or even inside shoes your dog likes to nap on. Charcoal doesn't mask odor. It traps it at the molecular level. It's like setting a silent guardian in your house, absorbing the stink before you even notice it. And yes, it's completely safe around pets. Method 3. The vinegar vapor trick. Now this one sounds strange, but it's unbelievably effective. Vinegar vapor. Fill a bowl with white vinegar and leave it in a smelly room overnight. Don't worry, the vinegar smell disappears as it neutralizes pet odor particles. It's like fighting fire with fire. By morning, the room smells like nothing. Pure, clean air. Suspicious? Try it once, and you'll never doubt it again. Method 4. Homemade citrus enzyme cleaner. This is my personal favorite. Instead of buying expensive sprays, create a homemade citrus enzyme cleaner. Take orange or lemon peels, add sugar, yeast, and water, then let it ferment for 3 weeks. What you get is a natural cleaner that breaks down stains and neutralizes odors at the source. It's eco-friendly, chemical-free, and smells like a fresh orchard. Imagine wiping your floor not with harsh chemicals, but with the fragrance of sunshine itself. Method 5. Baking soda carpet storm. Everyone's heard of baking soda, but here's how to use it the unconventional way. Don't just sprinkle a little. Create a baking soda carpet storm. Cover your carpet or couch generously, leave it overnight, and vacuum it the next morning. The results? A neutral, fresh base. Not cinnamon-scented, not fake floral, just nothingness. The absence of odor. Sometimes silence is more powerful than music. DIY Essential Oil Diffuser Rocks. This one feels almost magical. Take porous lava rocks, drop a few essential oils on them, and place them near your pet's favorite spots. Unlike candles or sprays, the rocks release fragrance slowly, blending into the room naturally. Method 7. The freezer trick for fabrics. Got a blanket or soft toy that smells bad? Instead of washing it every day, put it in a sealed bag and toss it into your freezer. Yes, the freezer. Extreme cold kills bacteria and neutralizes odor molecules. It's unconventional, a little odd, but highly effective. Method 8. Indoor plants as air purifiers. Here's something you'll love. Plants. Not just decoration, but living air purifiers. Spider plants, peace lilies, bamboo palms. They don't just look good. They eat up toxins and freshen air naturally. Imagine a living, breathing army against pet odors, silently working while adding beauty to your home. Final thoughts. So, which of these unconventional methods will you try first? Sunlight? Charcoal? Freezing your dog's blanket? Remember, eliminating pet odors isn't just about impressing guests. It's about creating a sanctuary for yourself and your beloved companion. A place where joy isn't overshadowed by embarrassment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Because the journey to a cleaner, fresher, happier home starts with small, powerful changes.